Let's see what artists are going to win a prize today. She's going to the far side. She's moving the whole duck pond. We're playing PlINKo Master. Oh, Austin has come to play.
No, yes.
All right, welcome back. Day 2 of Draw Month is upon us. We have 2 new players trying to win prizes for you, themselves, as well as their charities. Up first today, we have Kim. Kim's playing for the red team. Tell them who you're playing for, Kim.
Sandy Pines Wildlife Center.
Nice. Austin on the blue team.
We're playing for the Kingston Sexual Assault Center.
All right, that's the 2 players we're playing for. Let's see what value they're playing for today. $50 value. Whoever wins the game today has $50 going to their charity. All right. We now know what charities are playing for. Let's see what artists are going to win a prize today. Kim, because Austin's team won the first game yesterday, it's your turn to pick first today. Grab a duck out of the pond, will you? She's going to the far side. She's moving the whole duck pond. God, it's like having Mark in here.
Sky Mercier from Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan.
Saskatchewan. We're moving away from the East Coast finally. All right, Austin. All right, Austin likes green.
Curtis from Auburn, Nova Scotia.
All right, heading back east. All right, put your ducks behind you, ladies and gentlemen. Get them on there. All right. Still very slow. One day we'll get him to speed this up. One day we'll get him to speed this up. All right, because Kim picked first on the ducks, we're gonna let Austin pick first off the bear wall. You can pick any of these bears, Austin. There are prizes behind each and every one of them, except for the ones with already taken prizes on the front.
All right, Master Prize 1, ink collection.
Ooh, it's a mystery prize. It's a collection of ink valued at $600. All right, Austin, put your bear in the box. Kim, you're up next. Pick a bear off the wall for us. Anything that doesn't have a prize value already associated on the front. All right, what do we got?
It's an Ink Lab T7 Max pen.
Damn, the Ink Lab T7 Max pen is a brand new pen that is on its way to us right now. It'll be on the website hopefully by the time you're watching this. Get excited about it. It's worth about $600. All right, guys, we know who you're playing for. We know what you're playing for. What are we playing? We got Deadly here. We're playing PlINKo Master. See what we did there? Stay tuned. All right, you heard correctly. Today we're playing PlINKo Master with an emphasis on the ink. We even made these very cool PlINKo Ink Master themed tokens that, of course, don't fucking work. So we had to go to wood ones. These were falling off the board and bouncing everywhere. Our players are up high. They're ready to go. They each have 5 tokens. At the end of it, we're going to attempt to do some math and see who's got what score going on, and then we'll pick some which prize goes to which artist. Kim, you are going to start us off. Drop your first PlINKo chip. All right, so far so good. Kim starts us off with 150. Kim's got 150, and she gets an applause too. Look at that for a 150. All right, Austin, drop her down. Austin's been known for pausing on the board here. Let's see if we can make it all the way down. Ooh, Kim's got him by a little bit. Austin starts off with 50. All right, Kim, what do you got? What do you got up next? Slow and steady, just like our Carney. Kim with the big 200. That's okay. We'll let the crowd die down a little bit. They're a little overexcited. They can't hear me up here, but Kim's at 350. Austin's at 50. Where are we at now? Oh, Austin has come to play. 250 to 350. All the way down, back in the 150. Kim's at 500. What do you got up? Austin's not looking promising. Down to the 150 mark. Austin's now at 350. Oh, we got to stop her. Come on, Austin, see if you can knock her in. Oh, he might.
No, yes.
No, minus 50. All that work for a negative. I've already lost track of what the scores are, so we're going to have to come back to that. Kim's trying to drop it down. Oh, and she's letting the 100. Last chip coming down. Can we see anything?
No.
Oh, in the 50 spot. And of course, we can't let it finish like that, so we're going to knock this up and down. And you know what? I don't even need to count. I'm glad I don't have to. Kim obviously took that with her second one in the 250 mark, and Austin with the minus 50. So Kim is the winner of PlINKo Master. Come on down, guys. Take your time. Don't fall off those stands. The JT is here, but we don't want to do any work more than we have to. All right. So, Kim, because you won, you get to pick which of these prizes goes to your artist. We have two up here. We have the T7 Max pen, and we have the mystery prize of ink. Both prizes are the same value. One is an ink prize, one is a pen.
Let's go with the pen.
All right, so Sky, you have a T7 Max pen coming your way, courtesy of Kim. You can thank her later. Austin, that means your artist, who, remind me again, was Mitchell Curtis, is walking away with $600 worth of ink. And we're going to keep playing all month long, so please come back and see what we have in store tomorrow. Today's game was brought to you by Deadly North and, of course, Tex-quila. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch all these videos in all their glory, and follow along for behind the scenes goodies on our Instagram channel. I'm not used to saying that yet, but I'll get used to it. Instagram channel, follow along on that. Follow us along on YouTube. Thanks again for Deadly North. Get some Tex-quila.